We've all heard the saying, it's better to have and not need than to need and not have. This is also true with a lot of things in life, including a manufacturer's warranty. When making your next big purchase, you hope that it will last for a long time and be free of factory defects. That's not what camping was meant to be. Starcraft RV takes the worries and what-ifs off the table. We build RVs that withstand the rigors of adventure with everything you need without overcomplicating things. Get back to the basics and enjoy what matters most, camping pure and simple. Starcraft RV is proud to back our RVs with a 3-year limited structural warranty, plus a 1-year limited manufacturer's warranty. We offer complete coverage because we're confident in the RVs we build and because freedom from worry is the best travel companion. On top of that, our supplier partners offer additional component warranties that extend well past the duration of our 3+1 limited warranty. Visit starcraftrv.com and learn more on why you should own a Starcraft RV.